It is super loud over there. Okay, I'm in my car just because it is unbelievably loud out there. This is the third and final phase of a brush mowing project that we've been working on over the last few weeks for commercial business here where we live. The first step was just kind of doing an overall brush mowing. This was a wooded area that was filled with invasive buckthorn, and the client wanted it all mowed and taken down. Phase 2 we did just a couple weeks ago, and that was kind of more of a fine-tuning, kind of going over some areas we missed and maybe some other tight spots. We did it on a weekend when nobody was in the parking lot in case of flying debris. And then now we are on phase 3, which is what do you do with all that dead trees lying around, all that dead buckthorn? Well, the client wanted it to all be chipped up into mulch. Enter in the wood chipper. That's what's making most of that racket back there, and that's what's been eating up all those dead buckthorns and spitting out the chips. Take a look, guys. So as you can see, big difference before and after when it comes to, the buckthorn that just completely overtook that area, which is what it does in our neck of the woods. And hopefully it'll stay buckthorn free for many years to come. Buckthorn is a plant that spreads really easily, and it's spread by the berries. Now the berries are really sweet and a lot of birds like to eat them. And when they fly by and randomly poop, the seeds come out with the poop, and that is how new buckthorn are planted in different areas and everything like that. That's why they spread so easily. So it's kind of an uphill battle with trying to get rid of invasive species like that. But hopefully this area should stay pretty clear for years to come. Thanks, guys. And remember, if my husband can do it, so can you. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thanks.